So Miss me there think me late and I'm me alone in here.
Good evening, DJ.
Evening, Miss.
Me and you alone I keep class today. For me and you alone, me and you alone. Yeah.
Come here today. I see I say your class full now, you know me late. Me come and me alone and you.
Yeah, you're 8 minutes late. Now because the other students don't show up, that doesn't mean that DJ is not late.
Yeah, I know, but like I mean all the while, Miss, me first I come.
Yeah, because you're punctual, which is good.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, but you're still not punctual because you're still 8 minutes late.
Miss, me that do some work, man.
Okay, you have graph paper?
Yeah, I have a graph book.
All right, so get your graph paper, get your graph book, do your axis. I think I should change this. I give you 10 minutes. Okay, you're gonna have to do up your axis and thing. So let me just edit this. In 10 minutes. All right, so get on with that now for me. make me choke. DJ Dejano? Dejani?
Yes, miss.
Finish? Finish with the question, honey? Dejani, finish, honey?
Miss, I don't have any graph paper. I've been searching.
And if I know you use one that you can remember what was on it before.
No, miss, that's all the ones with my SBA on it.
Mm-hmm. Search a little harder, Dejani. Paper must be somewhere. If you join it already, just erase it and see if you can complete the work on it. Please.
Miss, you don't have the graph board.
All right, use my board. I'm going to give you permission to annotate. Use my board, Dejani.
Okay. Miss is showing me some polls. Am I supposed to answer the poll question to get the thing to write on the board?
Go again, Dejani.
It's showing me some polls. Like to answer some question. Am I supposed to answer the question to get the graph, to get the thing to write on the board?
Showing you somewhat?
Polls means like something to answer questions.
No. You're not supposed to do that. Are you able to do it now, Dejani?
No, miss, it's the same thing.
All right. How many questions are there?
This is just the first one.
No, you shouldn't have anything to do. All right, leave. Just why? I don't have any pause. Do you understand the solution for the first question? Multiple choice. I don't know why there's a poll in here. I have no idea. Hold on. I don't know where there's a poll. All right. And this wasn't launched either. I don't know. Shit. All right, Dejani,
Yes, miss.
how about now?
Mr. Parker,
I don't know why there's a poll. Hold on. Let me do this. There's a polling, like polls, like you ask the questions.
Miss, hello?
Yes, Marlon.
Miss, my battery is about to die, miss, and it's at 3, miss, and I went on the road today, and I brought my charger, miss, but I left it at my mother's shop, and she's not going to come around till 6, miss, and my laptop is updated, miss. Miss, I send you the pictures, miss. Hello?
That means you're gonna have to watch the recording after and make your notes, all right?
Yes, miss. Miss, probably if your laptop finish in time, miss, I'll come back on, because it's taking a really long time.
Okay, no problem, Marlon.
Yes, miss.
All right. The Johnny, try leaving and rejoining. Let's see if that works, the Johnny. I don't see why you should have a poll. All right, the Johnny, try now, honey.
Mr. gave me the something to write on it.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing there. Come off my paper, pose.
Mm-hmm. And the journal, boy. Hmm? The journal and the Johnny. Mm-mm. Live close. Mm-hmm.
Mr. got the poll.
All right, complete the poll and see
Okay.
what happens next.
It's just pick anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is not allowing me to answer, so can I just press launch poll in something?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um it just said share results, relaunch polling.
Just click the X at the top.
Macy's just have a pause again.
Not gonna work for you there, Johnny. Not sure what happened. Marlon,
Yes, miss.
write in the answer for me before you go. Hopefully you get to do that before your phone lock off. Write in the answer for me. Please explain as you do the answer. All right, Amicia, we lost Marlon. Amicia?
Miss,
Do you know how to do the reflection? Did you watch the lesson this morning?
Miss, I have classes. Here, Miss.
At 6 a.m.?
Miss, when me done class and go on my bed, Miss, how much clock a night, Miss, me tired, you know, Miss, when me done work at night time, you know, Miss. I mean, I normally get up till like 30 minutes before my class, a morning time, which is 8 a.m., Miss. I mean, I go in bed like 2, 3 o'clock a morning time.
Is that an excuse? Am I supposed to be reasonable? Because you spent all your time doing other subject and not focusing on my subject?
Miss, isn't that? Oh, fix it.
All right. Reflection in the y-axis. Dejano?
Yes, miss.
Where's the... Go ahead and do the reflection. Have you watched the video this morning, from our lesson this morning?
No, miss, I didn't get a chance to watch the video this morning.
All right, so given that you haven't watched the video, Dejani, do you know the answer? Can you tell me the answer and I write it down for you? Because this is a CSEC past paper question. I think it's about half an hour now that I have it on screen waiting for someone to complete it. I'm not gonna go through it. All right, so Marlon is coming back. Marlon?
Miss, as I was about to do the work, miss, my phone died. Miss,
All right, see if you can do it, Anna. Go ahead and do this for me.
make sure you annotate on the laptop.
Same way.
So I don't see anything to write.
Click on view options at the top, and then you see a drop list come down with that says zoom in, share, request remote control, and annotate.
See. Mistress, I must reflect it on the x-axis, miss. Yo, Tony, turn on. One and one. Is one. Hey, mate, amazing. C3.
All right, Marlon, read the question for me now, honey, and tell me. So hold on. It's mapped onto by reflection in the x-axis. Oh, you do x then y. So you're gonna reflect that image into the y-axis.
The prime is
Yes, the prime, beautiful. And label it, honey, and do all those things. You can write. Can you write? That's not reflection, Marlon. Looking at it. That's translation. If you reflect over the x-axis, the x-axis, the
yes,
P.
I know. I
Okay.
just realized. She should wait. Like the bottom side should be facing the bottom side right here, right?
Go again.
Come on. And
Marlon,
Miss,
I'd say, okay, you're doing the next one now. Okay, good.
Miss? Oh,
Yeah?
never mind, Miss. I see why.
Okay. So Marlon, why you name label them different letters? It should be A prime,
and oh,
B prime, C prime.
Mr. Can't write properly. Mr. Can't write properly.
Okay, but you still need to remove. Let me remove those for you that you need to remove.
Right.
I'll write for you. I'll write in those for you. That's okay.
Miss, that was what I was going to ask about, but then I see it said on the diagram draw and label LMN.
Oh,
So Miss, is it that the letters correct?
oh Lord. Label onto ABC's map onto by reflection. Oh yes, yes. Yes, Marlon. Miss Hunter is wrong. So LMN, so that means that where A is, that's supposed to be L. Where B is, that's supposed to be M. And where C is, that's supposed to be N. All right. Sorry. My apology.
Yeah,
Thank you.
prime then. Should be prime.
No. They did the same prime.
So the other one go be. I'm afraid to know why.
So this first one, based on what is there, you don't necessarily need to label the first one. Just label the second one. So let's label this one. So let's label this first just to be sure how we're gonna label the second one. So this is supposed to be L M N. So that means that this is the L itself, this is the M, and this is the N. Yes. So you don't need to label the first one
So
because
Miss,
based on what.
that's
So
Miss, that's another reflection of the bottom reflection.
Yes. So what they. So
But it's another direction.
So what they ask you is to reflect it in the x-axis, and after reflecting it in the x-axis, reflect it in the y-axis. So earlier this morning, we did reflection of those one image, reflect the object in the x and then reflect the object. But this time they say It is ABC is mapped onto LMN by a reflection in the x-axis. And the keyword here, Marlon, mute your phone if you're not talking to us, please. The keyword here is followed by. So followed by tells us that the same thing we're going to reflect. The image that we get here, which is this image, we're going to reflect it over here because it's y-axis to get the final. So ABC is mapped onto LMN by reflection in the x-axis. So you're reflecting x-axis followed by a reflection in the y-axis.
It's when you're reflecting, the hypotenuse is supposed to be going in different directions.
The Johnny?
Yes, miss?
Only reason why Miss Hunter is answering this question, is because Miss Hunter kind of like the Johnny to an extent. But this morning, Miss Hunter took 1 hour and hour and a half to explain all of this, the Johnny.
Okay, miss, I'm gonna watch the recording tonight then.
Okay, all right. Please do.
Miss, before you move on, Miss, I don't see the recording.
The recording is there.
It's there. I just went on it.
You can send the link to me, please.
Okay, no problem.
All right. All right, Marlon, please remember to send your notes. Send them in the group. So that persons who weren't here this morning, at least they can see what you did, and then they can make their own notes when they watch the video. If you can do that.
Miss,
Mm-hmm.
This morning I was in my mother's car, miss, listening, so I couldn't write, miss. That's why I told her I left the charger.
Oh, okay. Well, you need to write your notes. The Johnny, when you're doing yours, I don't know who is gonna do theirs first. After you've done it, please send the notes in the group.
Okay.
And that link that I sent you, you need to go and watch the video. Not just the video, but also the read the document. So there's 2 links. One to website, read what is there on the reflection, and also watch the video.
There's a document in the group.
On the video that you're going to watch on YouTube, the recording for this morning.
Oh yes, miss, I saw it.
All right. All right, so we're gonna move on now, honeys. All right, so we're gonna do this question. Persons with graph paper, go ahead and write this down. The Johnny have a graph book, Marlon, you have a graph book. Omi say you have a graph book, honey. Hello.
Yes, Miss, we're here.
Okay, Marlon and Omisia, have a graph book. Seen the question, Dejano?
Yes, Miss.
All right, good. All right, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes.
Mr. I have more graphics.
Hmm?
So I can have a graph, please.
Yes.
I have one.
Okay, good. So draw the graph, and we're gonna do the reflection in the line y equals 3. Can anyone draw that line for me? I showed you that before when we were doing, what were we doing when I showed you the different lines? But I taught you that before. So someone just draw the line y equals 3 for me.
Amber. Miss, what does it mean by y equals 3?
So that's what I was asking about. Do you remember when I showed you the line y equal 3, the line y equal x? Not y equal x, y equal 3, y equal 2, y equal 1. And I showed you the line x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal negative 2. Not this morning, you know. I don't remember which topic we were doing, but I showed you when we're doing some graph. I showed you the different lines. So just see if you can pull back on memory.
Is it this much? Oh, I can't.
You got to draw the line now. Draw the line. Use
That,
those straight lines. Yes, that's the
like,
point. So draw the line now. Let
like,
me see where the line is. Draw the line for me.
like which direction is?
Huh. That's the important part. So think about it.
Oh, straight, miss.
Think about it.
Like
If you,
not to the right and like this, miss, something like this.
exit, yes, perfect. But it needs to go right through. You're gonna draw
Oh,
it
this
right
I
through.
mirror like miss, something like that.
Yes. Uh-huh.
This miss. I like miss.
Beautiful. All right. So that's the line you're going to reflect over. Right. Let me write beside it. So this is the line y equal 3. Y equals 3. Beautiful. So let me write that down. Y equals 3.
Miss, I'm finished, miss, but instead of having my phone, send you the picture.
Go again, Marlon.
If I think I'm finished, miss, but I don't have the phone to send you the picture.
All right, so do the reflection on here for me now. And explain as you go along, please. I'm grading your explanation. So let's see if you can get 10 out of 10 for your explanation. So you can start again, take off the line and write it back again. I'm listening to hear you explain fully. Huh?
I must take off the mirror line.
Yeah, take off the mirror line and just start from fresh, read the question and explain like how Miss Hunter would explain, or better than Miss Hunter.
Alright, so firstly it says reflect shape A in the line y equal 3. And the x-axis is like this, it goes, is all the positive going to the right, and the y-axis is all the positive going up. So it says y is going up and it is the 3 is positive. And so we're going to use this 3 right here. That's going to be the mirror line. We're going to draw a line from right here to the other end. So now we have the mirror line. Yeah. This seminar I just pick a few bucks and sell a couple of books. I felt it. I happened. Yes, we can. Okay. So I'm gonna try to reflect this. So let me do my just count from, you can label this, make it easier. Label this like the, wait, can drop properly on this. So. Label this like A. Wait, this is a right? A. C. C and D. So first of all we reflect A. So we'll count from where A is to the mirror line. So 1. So it's just 1 centimeters away from the mirror line. So just will count back 1 right here. So. Wait. That's right. Right aside A, and we can do it. Then I'm going to do we can. It's not. I am a god. I'm sorry. B will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, I see. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. I say 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I see. Then go and say 1. Start from right. Start from right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, say 1. We start going from 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go
All right, well done, Marlon. The only thing is when you're doing the counting, I would say is for you to just do the strokes. So like when you're doing like B, you say 1, 2, because you're doing it, but we're not seeing it on our end. Because you're moving your mouse, but we're not seeing your mouse moving. So when you actually put the stroke, then we actually see that you're counting and where you're counting to. All right. Okay, Marlon. Marlon. Hello, Marlon. All right. Everyone understand what Marlon just did?
No, miss.
Yes, Mister, I was reconnecting. Tony
Okay.
Harrison, man.
All right. So what I was saying is that what you did was good. The only thing was for you to count the points coming down, right?
Miss?
Count the points. So
Oh,
like when you're doing the reflection of C, you would say 1, 2 for you to show it, 2, 3, because you're using your mouse on your
yes, miss.
computer, but we're not seeing it.
That's what I realized. That's why I'm mark right here, miss. You see, that's all.
Okay. Yeah, so if you just do the lines, okay, I see it, yes. So if you do the lines, then we'll see it better. All right. Dejana, you need to watch the first video because this is a follow-up of the previous lesson. All right. So I'm so sorry, but we need to continue. So we're gonna go with the next. We're gonna go with the next question.
Yes.
Yes.
Miss, my question is, are we having class tonight?
This is our class tonight.
Oh, okay.
All right. Yes. So remember that we changed from having class at that time to having it now. Remember?
Okay.
All right. The next thing that I want to teach you now that I haven't taught you at all. Don't know if I want to use that one to teach you. Oh, might need to use that one to teach you. All right. Ooh, this one is so ugly, man. All right. Let's come back up here. Let's do this one. We're gonna reflect this. Oh, here goes another one. Let me let you do this one. Reflect in the triangle in the line y equal -1. I'm gonna let you do this one. Jana, do you know where to find the line y equal -1? Ah, beautiful. Go join the line, Tejana. Beautiful. All right. So join your line, Tejana.
Miss the line, I should drive from through the street or just like on one and a half.
Straight through, straight through, straight through.
Uh,
Oh, let me give you a line then. That's correct, but let me give you the straight line with no little bump and thing in it. But you're correct. All right. If I use your color blue. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we're gonna reflect that in the line y equal -1. And let's label our line. This is the line y equal -1. So I give you 5 minutes to do that, and then we go through the solution. Anybody finish? Anybody finish working on the question? Dejano?
Yes, miss.
It's working.
Miss, I attempted it.
Marlon?
Yes, miss.
Finish working?
Yes, I'm doing it, miss.
Show me what I can do the screen. Okay, Dejano?
Yes, miss.
Dejano, still waiting to see what you have, darling.
Oh, miss, you want me to do it now on the something on the screen?
Yes, Dejano, go ahead and do that for me. Jonah,
Yes, miss.
that is your work.
Yes, miss.
All right.
Is it?
Almost there.
Oh, oh.
Almost there. The only thing that I want to start, the first thing that I want to highlight is let's do the counting from this point. So let me use another color. From this point let's count from this point to the mirror line. 1, 2, 3. So the image of that point should be 1, 2. So it's always from the mirror line. 2, 3. Is that am I right? 1, 2, 3. So here is where, so say this is A, then this is going to be A prime. Let's see if I'm right. A prime. This is -1, 1, 2, 3. And to the mirror line, it is 1, 2, 3. Then from there, 1, 2, 3. Good. Do you understand me, Dejana?
Yes, miss. You're saying that I should count from the mirror line, the blue line.
Uh-huh. So it's how far it is to the mirror line. What you did was to see how far it is to the x-axis. How far it was from the x-axis. That's what you did. You did the x-axis, right?
Oh,
Then you're
yes.
supposed to do mirror line. Hold on. Go ahead and do what you're doing now. Sorry. All right. Hold on, this. All right, so let's see. So A, so that would be A prime. So that's 1, 2, 3 from the mirror line. 1, 2, 3. We'll say this one is B. Let's put in B here. So this is B. And this is C. So from B, it would be, let's use another color to do the strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the mirror line. So from the mirror line, 1. Jana, is that you?
No, miss, it's not me. I say it's all click from pencil to eraser.
Okay, 1. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's good. So this is B prime, and then C. Without a doubt, this is definitely C prime. John, it's just me and you working together now. So how is it we sort of keep moving from one to another?
No, miss, but I am miss my mouse still, miss me not touch anything. I may just a watch.
Oh, but other person, everybody have annotation. Is able to annotate though. So I'm not sure. All right, so that's C prime. Good. All right, so that's that question. When it clear all joins, and we're going to do reflection in the line y equal x now. So let me take this bit off screen. So let me zoom in a bit. Good. So we're going to do the reflection with the same diagram, but we're going to do it in the line y equal x. The line y equal x, you can write this down in your book, runs diagonally from, let me write that down for you. So the line y equal x runs diagonally from the top left hand corner to the bottom right hand corner. Based on that definition, I want someone to just draw the line y equal x for me.
Miss, I'm guessing would the line be here?
Go ahead, show me what you got. So show me the line now.
Miss, is that where the line is that where it would be, miss?
Would you say that that line is, think of the 3 words that I'm giving you now and tell me which one you would use to describe that line that you have drawn. Would you say that it's a diagonal,
Oh no, miss.
vertical,
No, miss. No, miss. It's not diagonal.
Right? So take a go at it again. Beautiful. Well done, Dejana. So you just proved to us that a winner never quit and a quitter never wins. Beautiful. So you didn't give up, you try again. That's how life is. All right. So that's well done, Dejana.
Yes, miss.
So now Dejana and the other persons, Dejani. Let me see if Dejani is still here. Okay, Obisia, Javilia, and Moylan. We are going to do a reflection in this line. Y equal X. And I want you to figure out what the where the diagram will be. So you're gonna take your time. Everybody can write on screen trial and error, and you're doing it. You're learning through trial and error today. My answers are and So if you're doing it good, I say yes. If you're not doing it good, I say no, 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 no. Try a different method. And I'm going to keep saying that until you get it. We have technically 5 minutes to go for the class. So let's see if we can get to do this reflection before the class ends.
Miss, I think I have an idea of how it will be done from the previous one.
Right? Go ahead. Seems as if you're going for the gold, Dejano.
No, miss, we just have like use common sense.
I guess you have a lot of common sense over there. Because that's good. All right. So that one is good. I don't know what's happening with my pen. It keeps turning to eraser each time. So you come, that's 1.5 to the line, and then you come here. So you're following a straight line, which is perfect. All right. So that first point is good. Finish the journal.
No, miss, the second line give me problem.
Okay, just go with it diagonally again.
That's what I'm trying to do. Miss.
Or right, so let's see if that's as it's supposed to be. One. taking it from here, come through, and let's 1, 2, 2.5, half, 1, 2. Beautiful. All right, so we have our 2 points.
Miss, miss, the construct like question like this, miss, the line y equal x run diagonally from the top left hand corner to the bottom left corner, miss.
What about it, Marlon?
Miss, I was asking if they like do questions like that, like they construct it like that. Like just tell us to do it. Like that.
Like this?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, they're just gonna ask you to find to reflect that object in the line y equal x.
Okay.
All right, so let's test that one, Dejano. It's 1, 2, 2.5. Yes. So let's draw the diagram now. So it is here.
So I understand the diagram there, miss. Pardon, miss. Oh.
All right. So that's it. And then these lines aren't relevant, just for us to test to make sure that we follow a straight diagonal. All right, so there it is. Well done, Dejano. Beautiful. All right, so that brings us to the end of our lesson. For the persons who weren't in morning class, you need to go and watch the previous class because this is a follow-up of the previous lesson. And I can't teach you what I taught you here in what was happened in the previous lesson here, because that would defeat the purpose of having the lesson in the first place in the morning. All right.
Miss.
Yes.
So for to like reflect the image, miss. We have to like draw lines like what I saw you did.
No, it
Draw some.
helps you. You don't
Oh
necessarily
yes,
need to do it, but it helps you to make sure that you're
yes, miss. That's
following
what I
a straight.
realized.
Yes. So you just need to know that you're following the diagonals as the straight diagonal. All right. Hello, Peter.
The second one, miss, like because like whenever I have the line, if you like guide it, so like every time I count it, and then I look back, it just look like it lean, like it now follow.
Oh, okay. I get you. Hello, Peter. Okay, Peter, not hearing us. All right, so we're gonna end now. Have a good evening, all. See you tomorrow at 6 a.m. Bye, Peter. Bye, Amicia. Bye, Dejano. Bye, Marlon.